areas, and we are not aware as to why. We only know the picture that is shown to us, but it is at the bottom of the pyramid where the real pot of gold lies. And this is what I would try to convey in my brief presentation on Wednesday, on the opportunities that you can avail at whatever stage you are, as a maybe a aggregator or a person who owns land. And that will be my endeavor, and I hope I live up to Professor Menon's expectations. Over to you, sir, and please do not apologize like this again. It is absolutely not required. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, Captain, for your kind words. God bless you. Class, we start today's class. And by the way, it doesn't make any difference. So anybody who's going to attack me saying, "Kya kar diya?" भाई 3 दिन के बाद वीडियो एनीवे आने वाला है. हरीश सर का भी वीडियो यूट्यूब मेनन मंत्रास पे आ गया है, निमेश सर का भी आ गया है. तो ये 3 दिन का गैप हुआ है, राइट? तो डोंट अटैक मी, सम ऑफ योर प्लीज स्टार्ट अटैकिंग मी, राइट? 3 दिन के बाद ये वीडियो आ ही जाएगा. सो इन द लॉन्ग रन एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू इक्वलाइज. एंड समझिए बेटे, अगर सलोमी वाशी गया तो भास्कर सर आएंगे. भास्कर सर खुद से नहीं आते हैं, बोल के थक गया, राइट? These are people who are achievers and they don't like George sir. These are people who don't like to show what they do in life. Thank you, Captain Aditya. We start today's class. Ma'am, you will have to enable my screen sharing, ma'am. Shanti ma'am, please enable my screen sharing. And
done, sir. Done.
Thank you very much. And if you can, you could, if Salome is comfortable, she could come on board. Class, we start. Can you see this, please? Ma'am, can you see this?
No, nothing is visible yet, sir.
Yeah, because I have not shared, no, ma'am. I'm in the good mood now, okay? Because this thing is taken off. Somebody is saying my son is my carbon copy. Yes, he is. I only wish, that he grows up to be a good citizen of India. Somebody like Captain, if I may say so. Okay, here we go. Excuse me, this is my disclaimer, and no spelling mistake, thanks to Shanti ma'am, and the disclaimer is thanks to Gani, okay? This was last time and I continue doing that. Sincere thanks. By this time, तुम लोग को बाया हुआ रहेगा ना, भाई क्या करने वाला है? अरे क्या बोलूँ मैं अभी? Good. But this time, the top expert practitioners are Salome Shah, Miss Salome Shah, a young mother, and Bhaskar sir, who is the top 3 exporters of India. I suspect sir will come and make a guest appearance. He better do it now. That's Salome Shah is there. My sponsors, Vismay, right? You met the entire family last time. The idea is to say that we should respect business people. That's why I showed you George sir. Sunanda will come very soon about their family, and Speedo will come very soon about their family. I will talk about their products and the family, I promise, because India should respect business people. That's very, very clear. It is no longer East India Company where people came here to do business and conquered the country. Now business people are building India. I'm very clear. I'm going to talk about them. Okay, this is wonderful. Prasad Katav, again Pune based. I'll talk about his family very soon. And this is today's sponsor. So there's a gentleman who has written this. This is straight from my WhatsApp. I've become a WhatsApp expert. Screenshot, make a slide. I've become a WhatsApp expert. And the reason is here, this gentleman here. Okay. So this is a gentleman who wrote to me, I'm going to contribute, but I don't want any branding or name to be mentioned. I said, you contribute first, then we will see what is to be done. And yeah, I promised him, I don't lie. I will not name your product. I agree, but I will show your photograph. Such a happy family. Aditya Shah, Avni Shah, parents and their kid. The reason behind their happiness is this. They are happy helping others, and that's karma. And by the way, I'm proud to say that I've taught both these kids. Aditya Shah, I've taught him in 9th and 10th standard. Some of you will think, "Kya sir, school mein bhi padhaya hai." बहुत कुछ किया है बेटे life में. अभी आगे आगे क्या क्या बोलूँ आपको. Avni also I have taught. I think Avni Mehta tha. Now of course Shah. Right, again my student. So I am also responsible for this Jugalbandi. I hope you understand. Somewhere on the line, I am also responsible for some good things in life. This is their family. Jay Shah sir. I'm not going to talk about their product. He doesn't like it. Mom is Miral Shah. I think she is the CEO of the family. CEO is Chief Emotional Officer. Okay. And we don't respect ladies. High time we do that. Okay. Their sacrifices matter a lot. Today when I'm late, all I did is keep calling my wife saying, slides ready karo, right? And then today I'm presenting, and it's not me alone. She's there right behind the seat. Aditya Shah, love him. Avni Shah. For some strange reason, he has put the Shah in small letters. I think even there is something like this. Wife is Avni Shah and son is Kabir Shah. The young man there is again delighted. Is Kabir Shah, and he's also talking about his sister who is currently studying in USA. That's culture for you. Where brothers and sisters fight over properties, this man is sending a signal that, sir, my sister is not there in the photograph, but please mention her name also. Don't mention my product, but mention my family, Chandni Shah. Love you, bache. I want to send a message what Hemant sir told me. He said that today a lot of families are bickering within each other. Please don't do that. He says challenging times. You need to stand together as a family. Even if your dad or the son has taken a wrong decision by which the family is suffering, this too shall pass. Why go back and say, तेरे को 6 महीने पहले बोला था ये काम मत कर, तू अभी कर दिया, अटक गया. ठीक है ना सर, हो जाता है बिजनेस पे. या पापा आपको बोला था ये नहीं करना चाहिए, अभी अटक गया. ये हो जाता है यार. So Hemant ji, thank you very much. I promised I'll use this platform. Thank you, Hiten. You're wondering why I am repeating this slide, because this man has saved me from near disaster. I'm now not answering many personal WhatsApps because it was getting tiring. In fact, my wife got scared. If you just remove the spectacles, you realize what's happening to me. And I was going crazy. And this young man just asked me, sir, WhatsApp group बनाऊं क्या? I said, बनाओ. And then Telegram group बन गया. 700 member है. अभी आप लोग एक दूसरे को गाइड कर रहा है. मुझे कुछ करना ही नहीं है. एक आध बार मैं आता हूँ, हरीश सर को लेके आता हूँ, बोल के निकल जाता हूँ. And kindly please don't. एकदम प्रॉब्लम में रहेगा ना, डालिए प्राइवेट में, मैं खुद आंसर करूंगा. एकदम तकलीफ में है तो मैं आऊंगा ना बेटे, लेकिन हर एक को आंसर करने का अभी ताकत नहीं है. तो एकदम तकलीफ में आई एम आंसरिंग इवन नाउ. सर बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा, एनपीए रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग है. अरे मैं व्हाट्सएप भी नहीं, मैं फोन भी करके आंसर करता हूँ, लेकिन थोड़ा थक जाता हूँ अभी. लवली नंदन showed me this slide. All of you all can enjoy this. Hitesh, all of you Telegram members, this is what you have done. So this I got from a student who said that तेरा वो Telegram group किसी बड़े बैंकर को दिखा दीजिए ना, मेनन सर को करोड़ करके ऑफर करके वो टेक डाउन करेगा ग्रुप को. मेनन सर को करोड़ रुपया, ये मेरा हैप्पीनेस है. मनी डजंट मैटर टू मी सन. बहुत बढ़िया बोला आपने. क्यों? माय इंस्पिरेशन इज हियर. डॉक्टर श्रीकांत, आई एम नोवेयर नियर हिम. वर्क फॉर SPJN for 1 rupee salary for 29 years. And whenever I say this, I keep saying this. I am his disciple. 2015 he expired, or he passed away because something was snatched away from him. I'm not getting there. So I know my end also will come like that. You know, when I keep helping people, I don't care. I am nowhere near this great man. 1 rupee salary, 29 years, built SPJN, and that's all I keep to say. Money is passing, yeah. It's all about social capital. This is Dr. Shrikant. For those who are wondering, every time he says Dr. Shrikant, this is my guru. This is my favorite photograph. Okay. We started with this. Last time we talked about it. So I'm giving you the continuation now. Nimesh sir rocked. Harish sir rocked. Okay. So this is the current situation of Corona. The guide is saying, look, this is the joke for the day. Observe carefully near that hill. Behind that large tree, you can see a lion. The lion is here. And the lion is also looking that side. Where is the lion? But this is the joke for the day. Corona is with us. We have to face it. And that's a joke. Okay? God bless this guide. God bless this media. The guide is the media who is going on saying something else. But before I go into this discussion, I want Salome to please come on board. My request is, please, Salome, please come on board. Salome, bete, please come on board.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you please say hello to my audience? I'm going to stop.
Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Good evening. This is Salome Shah.
Yes.
Sorry, I've kept my video off.
Yes, no problem. So Salome, you're going to keep your video off? Okay. But anywhere we can see Bhaskar sir, bete?
Yeah, sure. Probably in like another 15-20 minutes, he'll just come for a brief time.
Of course, knowing Bhaskar sir, it's going to be a brief time. Today I'm going to, but you got him here, and I'm so happy you got him here.
Right.
Okay, all of you all, I'm going to take this session in a bit of a different manner. And the different manner is, you will note down what you think is the export potential of India. So can you please write down what do you think is the export potential of India? So let's change this. Let's change this entire thing, right? Can you give me the export potential of India? Let's change this to an interactive style, please. Can you write down what is the export potential of India? So your time starts now. Thanks, Mohit. My son is my carbon copy. Biomass. Please keep shooting your answers, please. I'm going to stop sharing. Oh, I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to, right? For some time, I'll stop recording. And yeah, please type your answers. Please type your answers. This is going to be a different sort of session, right? Please keep writing. Please keep writing. Please keep writing. Please keep writing. Yes, very good. Very good. What else? What do you think? Forex, increase support, manpower, professionals. Very good. Hari sir, you have done a lot of service, sir. Kids are speaking the language. Can I have a response from Annie George, please? Or any other non-finance student, please? I don't like this 1+7. I love you, sir. That is a great phone. But if you have a name, I would love it. Right? I can say like beautiful Mehul, wonderful, respects Anbugani, right? From California. Hey, that is my guru, Bhaskar sir. Namaste.
Thank you.
Right.
Not Guru, sir.
Right. You are
I'm learning from you, sir.
No, sir. No.
How to manage.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, medicine. So let's see what is happening now. Now that Bhaskar sir has joined us, I will just show some slides to you all. You got it right, friends. You got it absolutely right. So before I give it to Saloviji and speak about, I will be managing her slides. She's a young mother, right? So here is it. Ma'am, you can see my slides?
Yes.
So this is it. Corona is upon us. Smashed the entire outbreak. Thank you for your comments on Zoom. It's going absolutely crazy. China is under pressure. Captain Aditya will come back and say next time how we are going to hit back. Monday, we will again talk about private equity. Completely spread all over the world. It started in mainland China. Sorry, sir, Bhaskar sir is there. So I can't say anything except saying that, this country is a rogue country. Okay. This is the economic implications of coronavirus. You can see what's happening. It's shaken out everybody. So if you do not want President Trump to be elected, they could have done something else. Is all I can say, because I've been reading something you kids have been sending. It's so sad. This country is a rogue country. I know we will, as Nimesh sir said, we will keep importing from China, but there is a wave that is happening. As Gani has said very nicely, there is a wave that is happening. It looks like the entire world economy is going to go into a slowdown because of COVID. COVID is coronavirus disease. It's very bad times. For the first time ever, oil has gone into negative territory. Please understand, sellers are paying buyers. Say, please take the oil. Have you ever seen this? I have not. Bhaskar sir has not. So please understand, this entire thing is going into negative territory. And that's very, very disappointing. Why? Because there is no demand. There is no demand. This is the statistics before coronavirus. So I gave you the negative picture right at the beginning. But before I give you the negative picture right at the beginning, this is what India was before, right? But before we go into where it was before, I will now like to present my guru, Bhaskar sir. He comes from a very small village in Gujarat. I get emotional when I say this, because for me, he is Dhirubhai Ambani. I have never met Dhirubhai Ambani, but I have met Bhaskar sir. He comes from a very small village. I went to him and I saw a screen in front of him. I said, sir, ये क्या देख रहे हैं आप? कुछ Excel type कर रहे हैं? He said, नहीं, Excel विक्सेल मुझे आता भी नहीं. मैं ऐसे ही देख रहा हूँ प्लाट में क्या चल रहा है. And then he showed me his phone and said, Menon Saab, he calls me Menon Saab. I don't know why. Okay, I don't deserve it. ये फोन से ना 2000 करोड़ का धंधा चल जाता है मेरा. ये फोन से. And behind him, there is this Sai Baba photo. You just go and sit, very simple office. You just go and sit and absorb the spirit. He drives a very simple Innova. He could have afforded a Maybach. I think Krishna Rana was telling me that some business guru drives a Maybach which costs 6 crores, and God bless him. My Bhaskar sir drives an Innova. He says, comfortable hai na, Mehnat sahab, kya karna hai? And if you're wondering why I'm praising him so much, here it is. You know, this family never gave me this data. They are laughing. They don't know that how I got this data. I got it from Miss Deepa of Jabs. Now I'm sure they will fire Deepa tomorrow. I got everything from them because they were not giving me data. When I called up Bhaskar sir, he said, sir, बहुत stress में है मैं business का. मैं बोला ठीक है. सलोमी को फोन किया तो बोलते हैं पापा बहुत बिजी है, मैं बच्चे के साथ बिजी हूँ. अरे यार मैं आपका गुरु है सलोमी, आपका भी गुरु है मैं. देख आगे क्या क्या हो रहा है. देखो अभी सब लोग. This is respected Bhaskar sir. That's Jay Shah, sir's son. God bless him. Pilot. This is Bhabhi, if I may call her. उनके नाम पे जॉब्स चलता है. 2000. Okay. X crores company. Right? This is Bhaskar sir. अभी ये लोग कैसा हिलते हैं देखो बच्चे लोग. इनका चेहरा देखो. इनको समझा भी नहीं. इनके पीछे से फोटोग्राफ उठा लिया मैंने. Okay. Bhaskar sir को मत देखो. सलोमी जी को देखो. कैसा फोटो उठाया मैंने. Okay. This is from Nitin Gadkari ji and Suresh Prabhu ji. Bhaskar sir does not like publicity, but we have to respect business people. Okay. मैंने कल एक बार बोला सर को, सर कल पीएम मोदी से लेना. मेरे को बोला हो जाएगा. तीन साल में हो जाएगा. And I respect him. Okay. I used to go there regularly before I started some God-forsaken project, for which my respect for businessmen have gone up even more. I'm not getting there. My respected George sir is helping me. My student Bibin Mohan is helping me on that. Okay, but I'll come to it later. This is that wonderful family of Japs which has made it possible. This is that lady who gave me all these photographs. This is sir, and this is this wonderful team. This is one of their plants in Mumbai. They own plants in Mundra and Unja. Okay. This is my Salome Shah. She's been voted as the lady exporter of the year. Nitin Gadkari ji. And I now request dear Salomi to please present and then ask Bhaskar sir to bless my audience. Salomi, over to you, bete. I will change slides for you because you may have to move here and there. Kid is how many months old? Kid?
8 months old, sir.
8 months old, and she's at her in-laws. She came from her in-laws' place and she'd come for a visit. That is why this change of schedule.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Over to you, bete. Please.
I should be saying thank you to sir instead of, sir saying so much about us. I am here today thanks to sir. My learning and my growth in Jabs wouldn't have been so easy had sir not guided me well. And sir also knows that. Sir knows how family business really run. Sometimes it is, people from far think it is very simple. You get it in inheritance and in it, you've got the base. You just have to sit there and grow on it. It is nothing like that. For all the people who think that family business is a piece of cake, no, it isn't. And sir very well knows that because we have learned together from Sir Bhaskar sir what really family business means and how to get involved in the business. And it is more difficult to get accepted in businesses like this, and especially when you come from a background of trading businesses or farming businesses where we come from.
Salomi ji, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Shanti ma'am, recording is on, no? Shanti ma'am, recording is on?
No, sir. No. You paused the recording before. You
So
have
where,
to
how do
resume
I,
it again.
no problem. How do I start again? That I realized that. Yeah, resume recording.
Again on
Yeah, I've done it. I've done it.
Yeah.
Is it recording now?
Okay. Yes.
Yes, yes. Yeah, Salomi, over to you, bache.
So thank you, sir. Because of you, I am here today, and because of you, I've learned so much. And My growing has really impacted on a lot of things, personally as well as in business. Seeing different kind of businesses, looking at different opportunities have changed everything. Thank you very much. And getting accepted by family for business, it was a big learning for me. So
So the request that I would like to make through this platform is, very times we realize that, and this is from this platform, that, and Gani also should please say this, that we tend to disregard lady entrepreneurs. So what was typically happening with Salome's cases, I didn't do much. I just went there and guided her so that people would accept her, her employees would accept her, and she had very big shoes to fill, right? And as you all can see, Bhaskar sir has immediately gone away because he's very shy, and so for her it was becoming very difficult. So please understand, the lesson to all of you all through this platform, before I get on to the new India, is that if you're a lady, please come into business. Even if you are a gent, they will take their time accepting you, but eventually it will happen. It will happen. Okay. Having said that, don't push your way through. Prove your way through, as Captain Aditya did. He charted his own path. His dad is a doctor, but he charted his own path. You'll have to chart your own path. Okay. Having said that, as said, all of you can just go onto the internet, right, and see jabs and see what else is happening. So it's a father-daughter combination, and of course the son also helping in setting systems, right? Having said that, as Salome wanted to put up, right, she says, I want to talk about the new India. Over to you, Bache, please.
sure, sir. 1 second, sir.
Please.
But if you all don't mind, I'll just shut my video just for comfort reasons.
Colleagues, please note, she has an 8-month-old baby. 8-month-old baby. Yeah, please continue.
So there was a just small discussion happening in family, and then Menon sir, I had a discussion with Menon sir, and Menon sir offered this platform where he really sees big happening with me, and he always pushes me through, to do good in business, and always guides me really well. So this is for Menon sir. Today's session, this was just a general conversation in family. We generally keep on having all of these talks whenever we meet. Now that we meet pretty less because of the whole scenario around us. So we were just talking, and we were wondering that how do we do business now? India is changing. We also have to change. But how is it possible? Now, the kind of business that we come from, manufacturing, of spices, how do you change? What can you change in a business like this? What can you adapt new, or how easy can this become for you? Completely automobile is not possible. You need labor, you need a lot of manpower in this kind of businesses. So we were just wondering, and we were like that businesses will go slow now because of this scarcity of corona that has feared everybody. People are going to start thinking of their health more than thinking of, growing big in business. Business is obviously essential to run families, for earnings, for a lot of things. But looking at today's time, people are going to get more focused on health, on luxuries versus needs. Till now, people used to earn good and party good. That was our young generation's motto, okay, work hard and party hard. Now that is going to change. It's going to become on terms of needs. Is that really necessary for us to do that? So luxury versus needs. Again, that is going to impact a lot of people. Everything will again slow down in other side of businesses which were luxurious. Then comes on to domestic challenges. Because of all of this, we will have. When I talk about domestic challenges, we are talking about tourism, we are talking about travel. All of these things are going to get highly impacted because of slowing down of businesses. And this this will change the way of living for people. And at the same time, these people will have to start thinking about different kind of supply chain related to their businesses. They have to come up with innovative ideas, what they can offer now, next. Coming for the next year or two, I don't think the travel or tourism industry is going to go the way it has been going till now. Like certain part of India, like Goa and places, lived only on travel. So they will have to start thinking about new things, new challenges for everybody. For businesses, the major challenge is going to come in labor for a short period of time. That is what I learned from my father actually today, like an hour back. We were talking and we were like, if we were, okay, businesses are slowing down, fair enough. But how do we pick up again?
I can see Captain Aditya nodding. I can't see others. So one of the key things that Professor Moradian said in one of the lectures, and he was very wild at that, he said, right, and I think Salomaji, of course, can't attend all webinars. So Moradian sir, Captain was there, definitely. He called it the reform program. I remember his dialogue very well. So it's very clear that, you know, if labor is going to be an issue, but then those who have taken care of labor, the labor will definitely come back. And that trend has already started.
Correct.
Yes, Salome, brilliant observation, absolutely brilliant observation. The supply chain is disrupted, right? People are now really looking, this is an absolute beauty. People are really looking at their luxury versus needs.
Correct.
So, right, do you need this is the point, okay? And that's exactly where from here you have a new opportunities, right? And that's where this young lady would tell us what she believes is a new opportunities. And many of you are looking for exports. That's the reason I called her here. Yes, but over to you. Please, back to you again.
Yes. So, like sir very well said, that if you take care of your laborers, all your staff, obviously everybody is going to come back to you. That is one. That is absolutely correct. Now, for new opportunities, there are so many things that we as in India can think of doing. There's a slide after this where I've said that scenario is a blessing in disguise. This same scenario, this same slide, where we as a family, we saw this as what happened in China. It actually a very good thing for India. India being closest population wise closest to China, we have a very big opportunity to come up with businesses the way China has come up. We have to actually motivate and educate our people that if things that we had imported, if we made it at our own place, in our own country, we could be same as China. We just need to have that mentality and the fire of growing like China had till now. Make in India was a very big thing that India had come up with, which is a very big blessing. A lot of people got a beautiful platform to start off with new ideas, new innovations, where government has also helped us a lot with different schemes they have come up with for small scale businesses, where you could enroll. You don't have to go to multiple windows, you just have to go to one or three windows. The government has explained that very beautifully, that people who want to start off new, how you could do that. So Make in India was a very good thing, a very big opportunity that the government had started for India. This is a very big blessing. People should take this opportunity and look for all kinds of products. Everything around you is a good product that you could develop on your own. Manufacture. You have enough laborer. If you know how to get them, if you get the right people to operate, if you get the right information, you could do everything here in India. For us, like when we talk about our businesses, we are all based on agriculture. Season wise we function. So there are times that we have to import. But now we are thinking of importing from close by territories. Now, if we say stop working with China. There are off seasons of crops where we import from China. We have to manage of spices all around the year, right? We export all around the year. So our season closes, somebody else's season starts. That's our opportunity. That's how we work. We balance our books at the end of the year. Our plus and minuses. The same way we'll have to find out for every industry. And we'll have to create industries. Like China created industries. Who thought China could manufacture our gods and sell it back to us? I mean, think about it. Why didn't we think that? I mean, at that point, that thing didn't come to us. It didn't occur to us that somebody else is creating our god and selling it back to us in different forms. We should be possessive of our needs. We should be possessive of our growth. And only then we can develop even better and stronger than China.
If I may just get this going, I'm sorry I'm interrupting, but it reminds me that, we used to have Ganeshas with flatter noses, and I used to wonder how that is to happen. So that then we realize it's all coming from China. Sarabhi, wonderful, bache. As I said, this session, I want to do it a bit differently, right? I want you to, if you can get Bhaskar sir, I want to have a question answer session, right? Straight on, right? Because I know Jabs inside out. I'll ask the relevant questions so that the kids benefit a lot. A lot of kids are interested in exports. If you could just get Bhaskar sir also, right? So अभी हम लोग बात करेंगे कि how do we go across and increase our exports? क्या है journey? Salome, if you could come in, बच्चे.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
So this session, the way I planned it is, I wanted it to come from the horse's mouth. कि वो गांव से आके इतना बड़ा industry कैसा खड़ा किया? Okay, and the second message I wanted to send for all the lady entrepreneurs and the gents here is that, boss, even the ladies can step in when you want, right? And manage both very well, right? Third message I wanted to say is, when you are getting into business, sometimes you may not get acceptability, but that's completely fine, right? Over a period of time, when you start doing better, अभी देखो ना, वो Telegram में आप पे किसी ने 1.5% बचाया है. I was talking to a dear colleague. He was saying, sir, elder सुनता नहीं है. 1.5% बताओ, उसके बाद तो पूरा finance आपके हाथ में आ जाएगा. It's about going across and saying, I have done it. As simple as that.
Correct.
Sarabhi,
Yes, sir.
my first question to you and Bhaskar sir.
Sir is just coming. If you could wait for a minute.
Absolutely.
Sir is just there.
Absolutely. So class, you could also just note down Salome. She is now guiding people to get into exports because she cannot get into active work, right? So I have decided to help her in this part of the journey. So I got this WhatsApp message from a dear kid from Gujarat who manufactured tiles, Morbi. So he said, sir, exports ke liye koi connect kara do. And I realized that Salome could do a much better job than any one of us. Right. So some questions for all of you all when you are getting.
Sir is here.
Yeah, sir is here. So the question is for both of you all. Bhaskar sir, your main exports go on to United States, and I know that inside out. Okay.
Yes.
What do you think should be the first precaution? Right? क्या देखना चाहिए sir? जब भी हम लोग US या यूरोप में एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो क्या देखना चाहिए? आप बच्चों को क्या बोलना चाहेंगे कि अगर आप एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हो ऑल टू दिस डेवलप कंट्रीज जहाँ पे मार्जिन्स एकदम है, तो क्या देखना चाहेंगे सर? व्हाट डू यू थिंक राइट वो लोग देखना चाहिए? भास्कर सर.
What precautions?
There is no required any precaution for developed country when you are exporting. Just खुद की हिम्मत बना के रखो, बाकी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. And this is the opportunity जो आया है कोविड या कोरोना is the opportunity for India develop big way maybe after 1 year. डर जरा भी निकाल लो, मैं अभी काफी अच्छा चांस मिलेगा वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम. डेवलप्ड कंट्री में कोई टेंशन नहीं है. दे नाइसली पेड, but they need quality. Definitely quality. कहाँ भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करो. प्रॉफिट नहीं मिला तो भी कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट थोड़ा लॉस करके भी क्वालिटी सप्लाई करो. Then you can make second and good money.
So the message is very clear.
Sustainable. Your business will become sustainable if you give good quality business. Offer them quality products.
Don't think profit about today. Think about after 2 years. Then it will grow very big way.
So first message to all of you all, those who are looking for exports to developed countries, those markets still remains. Second message from the guru and I would say the practitioner, both of them, is maintain quality. Third message that has come is आज का profit के बारे में मत सोचो, आज customer relations के साथ बताओ, right? And profit आएगा, you will grow bigger. But three messages have come from that, right? So thank you Bhaskar sir, right? Second question, कौन से countries में आप export करते हैं sir? आप
main export to USA, then South America, and third number is Singapore, Malaysia, China.
Sir, next question जो आपको आप इतना बोले कि थोड़ा लॉस उठाओ लेकिन रिलेशनशिप कायम रखो, आप जरा सबको बताएंगे सर ये यूएस में जो आपके साथ है, आई नो ऑल द आंसर सर कलीग्स, सो आई नो व्हाट टू आस्क सर, ओके, ये यूएस में जो आप एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं सर, कितने साल से आप एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और आपको वो जो आपके डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स है या जो स्टेक होल्डर्स है कितने साल से आपके साथ है सर?
Almost 30 years.
30 years.
Yes sir. और कभी डेवलप कंट्री के बायर कभी भी नहीं भागे, उसको आधा प्राइस भी कोई ऑफर करेगा तो नहीं जाएंगे, कि दे नो सप्लायर, राइट टाइम शिपमेंट, राइट क्वालिटी, राइट प्राइस. कंपटीशन के जमाने में काफी लोग रियली इज ऑफरिंग 50% कॉस्ट. मैं सब जो $100 भाव दिया लोग 50 लेते, लेकिन वो हमसे ही मान लेंगे, आपको दिखाएंगे वो 50 में दे रहा है कि लेंगे हमसे ही, कि दे बिकॉज देयर मार्जिन इज टू बिग, दे आर जायंट. तो उसको कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं कि 100 में लिया 50 में लिया. तो दे नीड राइट क्वालिटी, कि वहां पहुंचने के बाद कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आना चाहिए. एंड नाउअडेज दे आर नॉट कीपिंग एनी इन्वेंटरी. अर्लियर था 10 साल पहले दे पाइलिंग ऑफ द स्टॉक एट देयर वेयर हाउस एंड प्रोसेस. अभी एकदम फिक्स सिस्टम है, वेसल के नाम के साथ परफेक्ट माल चाहिए. अभी चांस लिया आधा प्राइस में गया, जो माल फेल हो गया तो पूरा सिस्टम फेल हो जाएगा. तो दे आर वेरी हैप्पी, पे द डबल प्राइस, पर रिलायबल सप्लाई चाहिए, राइट शिपमेंट, राइट क्वालिटी. कुछ भी हो गया, कोविड भी आया तो हमने मार जुड़ के शिपमेंट तो किया ही, कोई भी हालत में किया, स्पेशल पुलिस परमिशन लिया, वो लिया और माल चढ़ा दिया, बिकॉज हम नहीं चढ़ाएंगे तो उसका पूरा साइकिल अटक जाएगा. तो दे आर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी.
So the message here is they have been there for 30 years. Competition has given half the price of jabs, half the price, but the developed countries did not move away from jabs for the simple reason, right shipment, right quality. And how do you ensure that? COVID times में भी पुलिस का परमिशन लिया, बेटे ये ऐसा प्रैक्टिकल सेशन कोई नहीं दे सकता है. ओके, सॉरी आई कांट शो यू वीडियोस बिकॉज सर इज शाय बाय नेचर, लेकिन सुन लीजिए क्या बोल रहे हैं सर. बोलते हैं पुलिस का परमिशन लिया लेकिन सामने वाले का हमने साइकिल टूटने दे दिया, क्योंकि सामने वाले का साइकिल टूट गया, हमारा बिजनेस गया. एंड प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, बार बार सर एक ही चीज बोल रहे हैं कि उनको मार्जिन का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि उनका मार्जिन बहुत बड़ा है, उनका मार्जिन बहुत बड़ा है. सो बिगर लेसन फॉर अस कमिंग अप हियर इज, if you are exporting, look for products where you can deliver the right quality, wonderful class, right quality, you are able to do it on time, and most importantly you establish an emotional connect with the person on the other side. 30 years relationship is the way it goes. Sir, next question आपसे ये है, right, आपका plants है ऊंजा में है, मुंद्रा में है, और अभी मुंबई में तो आप बड़े हैं ही, नवी मुंबई में मापे है. By the way, sir is shy, but if you reach out to him, he guides you. Salome herself has given her details here. So isme, now I want to ask Salome a question, and Bhaskar sir should please remain there. Salome, bete, we have formed a group, Telegram group known as Men and Mantras. Yes. And in that, one of the question that was asked, and Bhaskar sir was there, I couldn't answer that question because it's not fair for me to ask that question. What is your relationship with your banker? What is the interest rate? You don't need to say. What is your relationship? You can name the banker because this is a closed circuit, right? And what is your current relationship with the banker? And give us an approximate idea about your interest rate. Salome.
Our banker is Kotak Bank, Vasi branch, and we have a very, very good relation last 15 years. And today we are paying interest rate plus minus 7.70. Out of that, we are getting 5% subvention. And actually, we are paying 2.7 per annum.
Class. You get into exports, Captain Aditya is now thinking he's got something for himself to do today, and that boy will drop. I know my Captain Aditya. The next thing he's going to think is what is to be done next. 7.7 minus 5%, it comes to 2.7% subvention. You got the numbers. I didn't say it. And now, if you take a forward with the rupee depreciating, apply the knowledge given by Harish sir. You know where you are. You are almost sub-zero. You want to take China on? Quality, right shipment, right time, low cost funds. यही चाहिए था ना आपको. बोल रहा हूँ ना आंसर. सर ने नंबर दिया है. और उसमें 2.7 में प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड रुपी डेप्रिशिएट्स. आगे प्रेजेंटेशन में दिखाऊंगा. रुपी डेप्रिशिएट्स, वो कमाई अलग का. एंड 15 साल से कोटक के साथ है. हम लोग ने ग्रुप में डाला है, कोटक बड़ा है, ये है. इनको तकलीफ ही नहीं है. क्यों? ये सोचने वाली बात है. माय फ्रेंड किशोर who heads ICICI is very unhappy with me. ये saying ये क्या कर रहा है तू यार, बिजनेस को भड़का रहा है, बिजनेस बैंक्स के अगेंस्ट. मैं बोला मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ यार, मेरे बच्चे हैं, मैं कुछ भड़का नहीं रहा है. इज वेरी अपसेट विथ मी. लेकिन आप लोग भी संभालिए, आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप लोग डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स मत खेलो. देन ही सेड समथिंग, तेरे बच्चों को बोल अच्छे क्रेडिट स्टैंडर्ड्स मेंटेन करने के लिए, अपने आप मिल जाएगा अच्छा लोन्स. He said this to me. Kishore, if you want, I'll tell you, right? Kishore Naik is his, Capital Aditya knows him very well. वो बोला तेरे बच्चों को बोल अच्छा क्रेडिट स्टैंडर्ड्स मेंटेन करने के लिए बैंक दे देगा अच्छा फैसिलिटी. And Bhaskar sir said that. One more question. Sir, if you could indicate when you came from a village, right? When you came from a village and started, आपको कैसा लगा सर? क्या था तभी का इंडिया और अभी का इंडिया के लिए? क्योंकि ये बहुत
very big difference. That time exchange control बहुत टाइट था by Reserve Bank of India. इंडिया पास एक्सचेंज नहीं था. $100 का एक्सपोर्ट किया, $5 कम भी आएगा तो गया काम से. मैं फाइल डायरेक्ट गोइंग टू फेरा एंड हैड अ बिग वे. टफ टाइम था अप टू 1991 तक. जब तक मनमोहन सिंह नहीं आया तब तक बहुत खराब पीरियड था फॉर फॉरेन एक्सचेंज. वी आर अर्निंग फॉरेन एक्सचेंज इवन दो थोड़ा भी कम आया, क्वालिटी क्लेम और वॉट एवर क्लेम, दे नेवर पास एंड दे पेनलाइज बिग वे. After Manmohan Singh started as a finance minister 92 or 93, then very smooth. आज का एक्सपोर्ट और वो एक्सपोर्ट में तो आसमान जमीन का फर्क है. बहुत टफ टाइम था. वो टाइम वेसल अवेलेबल नहीं होता था. यहाँ से सिंगापुर स्टीमर जाता था, स्टे 2 months, बॉम्बे, मैंगलोर, कोलंबो एंड सिंगापुर. नाउ विद इन 5 days बॉम्बे सिंगापुर जहाज पहुंचता है. वो टाइम वो ब्रेकबल वेसल था, सब माल जहाज में डालता था, वहां माल जाके ढूंढना पड़ता था. अभी तो कंटेनराइज हो गया. वेरी बिग डिफरेंस, अनइमेजिनेबल.
So we were till 1991, for those who are interested in theory, we were under FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. That means foreign exchange आपके पास है तो एकदम गवर्नमेंट आपको देखेगा. Because we were a scarce country. हम लोग इधर लाइसेंस राज चलता था.
Exactly.
फिर भी सर गांव से आए, स्टार्ट किए. 1991 के बाद खुल गया. नाउ इट इज FEMA, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मैनेजमेंट एक्ट. खुल गया है बेटे, आप लोग सबके लिए खुल गया है. अभी इससे ज्यादा कोई टीचर कुछ कर सकता है क्या सर? कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. राइट, प्लीज नोट. मैं आज देख रहा हूँ राइट नॉर्मली कैपिटल आदित्य को पता है राइट, लोग छोड़ के जाते हैं. अनिल मेनन का जैसे ही बंद हो गया थोड़ा निकल जाता है, थोड़ा निकल जाता है. आज कोई निकला ही नहीं है. सब देख रहा है कैपिटल आदित्य राइट. और मुझे बुरा लगता था कि क्यों मेरे पे भी निकलता है. जब भी मैं वो चैरिटी पूछता है ना तब लोग निकल जाता है. बस हो गया अभी यार, मेनन सर का लास्ट स्लाइड आ गया. राइट सर क्या बोलते हैं आपको? FEMA, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मैनेजमेंट एक्ट. गवर्नमेंट इज ऑन योर साइड. अभी भी आप कंप्लेंट कर सकते हो, बट कंपेयर टू दैट टाइम्स इट इज मच बेटर. कंपेयर टू दैट टाइम्स अगर कोई गांव से आके, अच्छा बाय द वे सर्स फादर, सॉरी यार सर, वाज ए लोकल ग्रोसर. दुकान था उनका, लेकिन
very small. Per day selling is the highest 200 rupees, highest selling per day. Total revenue, उसमें से profit maximum 10%. 30-40 rupees profit रोज होता था. And we run. But nowadays, whatever start the business, first 5 years never withdraw the profit. Put in only. Generally, गुजराती मारवाड़ी जैसे प्रॉफिट हुआ तो प्रॉफिट को डाइवर्ट करते हैं शेयर मार्केट में, जमीन में, गोल्ड में. कभी भी नहीं करो. पैसा वापस कंपनी में ही डालो कि तुम्हारा बिजनेस जबरदस्त अच्छा है. जनरली मेंटली टेंडेंसी है मारवाड़ी और गुजराती, सीधा डाइवर्ट करेगा, शेयर्स लेगा, जमीन ले लेगा, ऑर्नामेंट लेगा, खाली खर्चा कर लेगा. First 5 years, we don't withdraw any rupees for your home requirement also. You manage outside. Whatever पैसा कमाया तुम्हारा ही बिजनेस वापस डाल.
So the lesson for all of us is don't divert funds. So a management guru, मेरे को गुरु बोलते हैं, कुछ नहीं गुरु यार, गुरु सामने है, right? Is don't divert funds. Keep it in the business. So sir भी वही बोल रहा है, राइट बोल के भाई आप लोग आप सॉरी आप मारवाड़ी गुजराती मतलब हम साउथ इंडियंस भी वही करते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, बिजनेस वाले है ही ऐसा, पैसा निकाल के इधर उधर घुमा देते हैं, राइट. बट दैट्स वेयर आई लाइक द डिसिप्लिन ऑफ जॉर्ज सर, आई लाइक द डिसिप्लिन ऑफ भास्कर सर. बोलते 5 years young colleagues business पे ध्यान दो, don't think of luxury cars. I have no problems with luxury cars. It's just that आप divert मत करो, save for a rainy day, and then you can see how you can enjoy, right, enjoy whatever you want. भास्कर सर आपने मुझे एक स्टोरी बोला था कि आपको किसी से पैसा एक अच्छा द स्टोरी गोज लाइक दिस. एक बंदा आके सर के सामने बैठा था, मेरा परिवार का रिश्ता है सर के साथ, उन्होंने जितना मुझे हेल्प किया मैं आपको बता भी नहीं पब्लिकली, राइट. तो मैं उनके साथ जाता था, आई यूज्ड टू गेट इंस्पायर्ड. मैं गया था सलोमी के लिए एंड सलोमी कॉल्ड मी कि सर आप आके मुझे हेल्प कीजिए. उधर गया और मैं भास्कर सर का फैन हो गया. वो अलग बात है कि मैं भास्कर सर से बहुत सीख के आया. तो मैं एक बार बैठा था, एक बंदा उधर बैठा था, वो उठ के चला गया. आई मिस दोज डेज सर, आई एम सॉरी, आई मिस दोज डेज वेयर आई कुड कम टू यू, बट आई प्रॉमिस आई विल कम टू यू अगेन. तो एक बंदा उठ के गया झोला लेके, तो उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया और बोला मेनन सर. मैं बोला यस सर. आपको पता है ये बंदा कौन है? मैं बोला नहीं. ये बंदे से मैंने कुछ पैसा लिया था, ये रात को 11-12 बजे तक मेरे घर पे बैठ के मुझे गाली दे रहा था. मैं चौल में रहता था. सर आप वो स्टोरी बता दीजिए ना सर आपके मुंह से.
नहीं मुझे टाइम आता है, टाइम जाता है, ठीक है. आई बैड पीरियड समर 89, 90 काफी बैड पीरियड आ गया था, तो बहुत कम पैसा बाकी था मार्केट का. तो वो मार्केट में ऑलवेज आई एम गोइंग ऑफिस मॉर्निंग 8 to evening 7, but they never come to office to demand money. Always come at 11:30, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock at night. नीचे गाड़ी खड़ा रखेगा, हॉर्न बजाएगा, फिर ऊपर आएगा, और ऊपर आके दरवाजे के बाहर आके चिल्लाएगा. तो ही वेक अप होल बिल्डिंग एंड आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग. मैं हाथ जोड़ता था कि तुम ऑफिस में पैसा लेने के लिए आ, ऑफिस में आ, मैं बैठा हूँ, अभी मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, टाइम विल कम, आई विल पे यू विद फुल इंटरेस्ट. पर नहीं समझा, पैसा दिया मार जोड़ के. मे बी आफ्टर 10 years I owe maybe 2-3 lakh rupees and he owe me from me in 3 crore rupees. आज दिन तक पैसा आया नहीं है. वो आदमी मेरे पास रोज आता है मिलने के लिए, आज एक भी दिन उसके घर में मैं नहीं गया. मेरा 2 crore 80 lakh बाकी है उसके पास, एक भी दिन उसके घर में गया नहीं कि मेरा पैसा ला. वैसे रोज संभावित तो पैर झुकता है, गिरता है, सब कुछ करता है. पर तुम्हारा टाइम खराब है तो चुप बैठो, अच्छा हुआ तो माफी करो 100%. वो माफी का बदला मिलता ही है. यू आर सस्टेनेबल है, उसका 2-3 करोड़ नहीं आया तो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा तुम्हारा लाइफ स्टाइल, तुम्हारा बिजनेस स्टाइल में. तो उसको खाली टाइम दिया करो, टेक योर टाइम एंड पे मी मनी. तो थोड़ा जनरस बनो बिजनेस में, रियली जनरस बनो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम बहुत कम आएगा. कि उसका देयर इज नो साइंस, आई डोंट नो, पर जनरस बनने से कहाँ से कहाँ पैसा आता है. मैं पहले ही बोला था कि जैसे हम घर में पिज्जा मंगवाते ज्यादा आ जाता है तो वॉचमैन को हम बाद में नहीं देते, नहीं तो क्या सब खाना बना बचने के बाद देता. मैंने साहब के बाद मैंने किया था ऑफिस में.
यस सर.
आइडिया है कितना खाना पहले से उसका पीस निकाल के पहले फेंक दो नीचे. दिस इज वे ऑफ माय लाइफ. नहीं तो जनरल स्टाइल है, खाना बचा फिर पैकेट दे के नीचे चले जाते वॉचमैन को. डोंट डू दिस. और तुम कम भी थोड़ा खाना मिलेगा ना तो तुमको प्रॉब्लम होने वाला नहीं है. तो वो 3 पीस का 2 पीस भी पिज्जा मिला, यू आर हैप्पी. पर उसका पहले निकाल के रखो जो देना है वो. ऐसी छोटी छोटी बात बहुत है, वहां ध्यान रखो तो भगवान होगा जो भी सुपर पावर हेल्प करता ही, और तुमको भी सुकून मिलेगा अंदर से, कभी आप डिस्टर्ब नहीं होंगे.
So these guys is to go to his house, Bhaskar sir's house, honk, yell at him, and for lakhs, of course, yes, when sir owes money, they have to do it, but then it should have been done in office. That same gentleman, I'm surprised sir is saying 3 crores because I had gone to him 5 years back. That time also the figure was 3 crores. I don't know why sir is not counting interest, but anyway, sir is a guru. Basically, time value of money, you should count interest also. क्योंकि मुझे अभी भी याद है वो फिगर सर ने तभी बोला था. But that's it. उन्होंने बोला कि मैं उनके घर पे नहीं जाऊंगा. One more question, very important question, भास्कर सर. सर आप वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट कैसा करते थे सर? क्योंकि वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन है मेरे बच्चों के लिए. वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट कैसा करते थे आप? जो मुझे बताते थे कि फोन करते थे, राइट, कलेक्शन के बारे में, सप्लायर के बारे में, आप जरा वो बताएंगे सर?
He has everything on his fingertips, sir.
Yeah, please.
No, working capital में I'm very very fast in working. Suppose और जनरली मुझे आइडिया होता है कि किसका ऑर्डर कब आएगा. बाय गॉड ग्रेस तो मेरा माल ऑलमोस्ट रेडी रहता है. सुबह ऑर्डर आया तो शाम को शिपमेंट होता ही है कोई भी हालत में. आज शिपमेंट हुआ, परसों बीएल आएगा, बीएल उसको फैक्स करता हूँ, कोरियर करता हूँ, कोरियर से भी फॉलोअप करता हूँ कितने बजे कौन सा फ्लाइट में कहाँ पहुंचा, वो सिंगापुर में कोरियर में बैंक में किसके हाथ में डॉक्यूमेंट दिया, वो नाम हम जान के पार्टी को फोन करता हूँ कि देखो भाई ये डॉक्यूमेंट तुम्हारी बैंक में ये ऑफिसर के पास है, यू कलेक्ट द डॉक्यूमेंट. तो आई विल गेट पेमेंट विद इन 5-6 days. अदरवाइज इट टेक मिनिमम 1 month. कि नॉर्मल कोरियर में जाएगा, वहां बैंक में पड़ा रहेगा, बैंक वाला पार्टी को लेटर लिखेगा कि तुम्हारा डॉक्यूमेंट आया है, फिर पार्टी जाएगा, पेमेंट के लॉन्ग प्रोसेस हो जाता है. तो मैं बहुत फास्ट चक्कर घुमाता हूँ. चक्कर तो वही है, लेकिन आई डू वेरी फास्ट, फॉलो अप एवरी कॉर्नर. कहाँ कोई डॉक्यूमेंट अटका कोरियर में या बैंक में, एवरीथिंग आई इन्फॉर्म टू माई बायर, एवरीथिंग. कौन सी फ्लाइट से बॉम्बे से निकला, कौन सा फ्लाइट से सिंगापुर पहुंचा, सिंगापुर से कौन सा आदमी उठाया, बैंक में कितने बजे, कौन सा ऑफिसर के हाथ में दिया, वो भी मैसेज मेरे बायर को देता हूँ. एंड माय बायर इज रियली हैप्पी कि इतना अच्छा सर्विस मिलता है तो कुछ मंगवा. जनरली दे टुक आफ्टर ऑर्डर टू इंडियन एक्सपोर्टर, दे टुक 2 months टू रीच देयर. मुझे ऑर्डर दिया तो मैक्सिमम 8 to 9 days. मैक्सिमम 8 to 9 days द कार्गो रीच टू देयर वेयर हाउस. लोकल में आप मद्रास से माल मंगाओ तो भी 15 दिन में आएगा, तो बॉम्बे से सिंगापुर में 9 दिन में उसके घर में पहुंच जाएगा. I follow every corner, every corner.
He's very hands-on with his business.
So इसमें लेसन क्या है बच्चे? अभी हम लोग टीचर्स क्या बोलते हैं आपको? मैनेज योर वर्किंग कैपिटल. सर ने बोला वो कैसा करने का. अर्लियर ही टू टेल मी, मैं कम रात को बहुत कम सोता था, राइट? क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे उनके टाइमिंग से एडजस्ट करता था, राइट? एंड देन आई टू डू फॉलो अप्स. आजकल सर वो नहीं करते. ही हैज गॉट ए प्रोफेशनल सेटअप. So he has people who does it for him, but he ensures. I've never seen him get angry, but एक दो बार I've seen him come out of the cabin and ask people क्या हो रहा है. And now I know that कुछ तो delay हो गया है. Then I go and ask Salome क्या delay हो गया. नहीं वो दो सर उनका working capital cycle ना 9 days का है, वो 11 दिन हो गया. मैं बोलता यार सर इतना conscious है. And he knows it on the fingertips. One more very important question for Bhaskar sir. Sir आपके जो labor force है कितने टाइम से आपके साथ है, और आप जरा बता देंगे इस क्लास को कि ये बहुत जरूरी है. क्लास इनिशियली हैंड्स ऑन बहुत जरूरी है, then you can get professionals, and that is where I'll get when she talks about professionalization. उन्होंने कैसा वो professional setup किया. But before that I want respected Bhaskar sir to tell us, sir कितने जन आपके साथ कितने सालों से है, right?
Right from the beginning.
Right from the beginning, I have total staff and labor almost 200-220. पर सबके साथ एकदम इमोशनल रिलेशन है. उसका पगार कितना है मालूम नहीं, लेकिन उसकी जरूरत कितनी है वो हिसाब से पगार देते हैं. कि भी छोटा आदमी काम भी कम करता है, लेकिन हाउ मेनी डिपेंडेंट ऑन हिम, तो हिसाब से मैं मैनेज करता हूँ. नहीं तो मैं इसको कैश दे देता हूँ या अदर वे आई एम पेइंग मनी. तो कीप उसको हैप्पी रहना चाहिए बस, कोई भी हालत में. एंड आई एम बिलीविंग दिस इज, कोई मानता नहीं लेकिन दिस इज अ ड्रामा. अभी मैं बना हूँ राजा, आई एम द बॉस. तो एवरीबडी बॉस इन ऑफिस, लेबर हो, स्टाफ हो, सबका काम दिया. मेरा काम मुझे मैनेज करना है, पार्टी का काम डॉक्यूमेंट का मैनेज करना है. आई फील लाइक कभी मुझे फीलिंग नहीं होता कि आई एम द बॉस. कभी आप देखा ऑफिस में, कभी ऐसा फीलिंग मुझे आता भी नहीं है. सब इक्वल, लेकिन सबका ध्यान रखता हूँ. एक्चुअली फाइनेंस में कहाँ कुछ, अभी कोविड हुआ तो काफी प्रॉब्लम है, तो आई हायर 8 cars टू सेंड द स्टाफ हाउस टू पिकअप एंड अगेन डिलीवर एट इवनिंग. पनवेल हो, डोंबिवली हो, बदनापुर हो, साकिनाका एंड मुलुंड, 8 कार रेंट पे लिया हुआ है. कॉस्ट वेरी मच 25-28,000 पर डे लगता है मुझे, लेकिन मैं सबके घर में कार भेजता हूँ और राइट टाइम उसको वापस भेजता हूँ. तो दे आर ऑल्सो हैप्पी.
सो यहाँ पे एक सर ने एक बोला था विच वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कि सर ने एक बार भगवान का फोटो रख के मेरे को बोला, सर शायद भूल गए, राइट मेरा बच्चा इधर है, मैं सब मेरे बच्चे को भी बताया कि इनका भगवान का फोटो निकाल के मेरा एम्प्लॉयज का फोटो लगाना चाहिए, कि जो आज मैं हूँ इनके कारण, right? Employees, whatever I am is because of these employees, and that's where I want. Sir, आप जाना नहीं, आपका 2 मिनट और लगूंगा, but I want to talk to Sarovi ji. Sarovi बेटे, if somebody wants to start exports, what do you think they should be doing? Number 1, 2, 3. Please give them action steps. By the way, there is a trademark on this action steps. All of you will laugh. It's called as Menon Mantras. Captain Aditya is already laughing. So there's a trademark on this action points. Can you please give Menon Mantras for those who want to get into exports? Now that you have been supporting that, you have now decided to be helping everybody get into exports. Over to you.
First, you select a product, sir. What a good product and which countries. You'll have to do some market research. You'll have to, if you're doing to manufacturing, how will you set up? All of those things you'll have to think of on minimum. You can't be investing a lot on your businesses right now, but you can get additional help. You can take setups which are ready for certain products. You'll get it available in the market right now, and register yourself.
How is
Obviously, I am there to help. I have been helping one of the.
Salome Bete,
Yes,
how
sir.
important is trademarks in this particular business when you get into exports?
Branded.
Branding.
Are you saying about branding?
Yes, sir.
Branding is the right
Very
business.
important.
100%. I'm thinking not yet started. Branding is final business, but you have to sacrifice minimum 10 years.
Yes.
Wherever trading business within 2-3 years you are
Just set.
set. But branding is the right business. Your children, their children, everybody can earn very easily.
Branding is basically will give you legacy, sir. Even we today, we are into export branding. Yes, we also have our brand, but into export. But we've not gotten into real branding
And
in
as a
India
consumer, we
as
are
a
branding
consumer.
big packing.
So, so
We are a bulk brand. We are branding into bulk. Now we are also thinking about consumer branding.
So first request to all of you all, since you're making notes, I told you today is going to be a very practical session, right? I told you right at the beginning, 1, select your product. 2, select your market. 3rd, look at your market potential. 4th, right? Register your trademarks. Number 5, if you're going for a brand, sacrifice 7 to 10 years. It's going to suck up cash. If you don't have that cash, we take it step by step. I've seen a lot of companies fail because some consultant comes to them and say, brand banao. And they'll say brand guru hai. I hope I'm not.
Sir, today to sacrifice 10 years.
There are 2 types of brands. One sec, Salome bete. B2B, B2C. B2C is where you get very high margins, but B2B is also a brand. Jabs today is a brand in B2B. But sir has very conveniently said, मुझे B2C करना ही नहीं है, क्योंकि उस पे बहुत टाइम लगेगा, मुझे बहुत मेहनत लगेगा, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ B2B ब्रांडिंग में. But yes, he is telling youngsters, आप लोग young हो, आपको ब्रांड बनाना है, कर लीजिए, बहुत अच्छा मार्केट है आपके लिए, B2C बना दीजिए. Joseph Paul, Annie, all of you all, please listen. The colleagues who are making brands, all my students, Mohit, सब लोग के लिए बोल रहे हैं, B2C कर रही है, लेकिन be very clear, it is going to suck up cash. So you be very clear कि आपके पास उतना cash balance है, नहीं है तो वो रास्ते पे मत जाना. Having said that, one very important thing that Salome did very wonderfully, she would not like to say that, is take director's liability insurance, especially when you go to United States and Europe. I love this kid. She's wonderful. Yeah. Immediately what she did is she took director's liability insurance, product liability insurance, because these are countries which can sue you. Bhaskar sir is God. Till now, he did not have much of a problem, but all of you all should please take that, because if your product has a problem, they will sue the directors directly. And please understand, litigation costs are very, very high in all the developed countries. One more thing that has happened, and it makes me laugh, say that, is that there was a cyber crime. Even I'm sure Salome is laughing, right? Sir, itna yaad rakhte hai, but your family, cyber crime, which was reported in the newspaper. But again, Bhaskar sir ensured, of course, with his very high contacts, that things were restored. Salome ensured because there was something which is called as cyber insurance. We already had classes on Hartech Knowledge Center. I don't want to repeat insurance for all of you all. Please remember, these insurances matter when you go for exports. Director's liability, product, and cyber crime. Salome bete, you were saying something. Go ahead, bete, please.
So in today's scenario, like sir said, that if you're going into branding, consumer branding, you'll have to spend 10 years. You'll have to forget about everything, and it'll all get drained out for this 10 years. That is correct. But today, the government has come up with a lot of schemes. And if you plan it well, you can actually get government support for finance, bank support. Everything is available. And if it's good planning, even in 5 years, you could recover. It all depends on how you plan and how much you want to put in and how much you're getting from outside, sir.
This Sunday, Hartech Knowledge Center, 10 o'clock, I'll be discussing about MSME and branding. Menon Mantras will continue at 11:45, right? Personal finance. I need Bhaskar sir to give one last message, right? We are slightly...
Sir, 1 second, sir, 1 second.
Salome, not only Bhaskar sir, you also should please give us some more tips. So you said market potential, product. What do you think you should also do regarding the logistics and working capital? I need Sanomi to please, and your entire implementation of ERP in the company. Can you please talk about that also?
Sir, sorry, I couldn't hear you, sir.
Sorry, Bete. I was saying that you professionalize the entire setup there by having ERP. How important is ERP whenever you are running a bigger company? Smaller companies, okay. When you start getting into a class, I'm going to exceed by 5 minutes because I have realized nobody has exited. Everybody is listening keenly. God bless you all. Can I just ask one question, Bete? How important is ERP when you get into from a smaller size organization to a bigger size organization? Because you did
Sir, my father is far stronger and faster than the ERP system that we put in place. You know how difficult it was for us to when we were approaching.
Menon sir, I'm sorry. ERP is excellent. But fully you are involved in business and no need ERP. I have a ERP, full system is there in office. But always I believe in my mind only. What stock, where is the line, what quantity, perfectly. I don't know if everybody using ERP required ERP. When you are fully involved in business 24 hours by mind, you get success very easily without ERP.
Excuse me, I said I got it from the horse's mouth. So all those of you all who have been asked that spend lakhs of rupees on ERP, Bhaskar sir says something very simple. He says, if you're fully involved in business, you don't need an ERP. I'm very much on track. I know. In fact, that is a joke. We got an ERP report to Bhaskar sir and he looked at it and said, Menon sir, ye galat hai. मैं sure है ज़्यादा stock पड़ा है. I said, sir, ERP से.
Correct.
This is a fact, really fact. Till today, we have a latest, I spend more than 1 crore rupees in ERP. But my ERP personal feeling is perfectly correct. Stock wise, shipment wise, everything, anything.
So
If
here,
you involve fully, then or any business you can get success. But you have to fully involve. सुबह स्नान भी करते हो तो तुम्हारा दिमाग वहीं घूमता है कौन सा गाड़ी आएगा क्या शिपमेंट करना है एनी टाइम यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट बिजनेस पार्टी में भी गए बैठे दोस्तों में तुम्हारा दिमाग वहीं घूमता है you have to sacrifice at least 5 to 7 years in fully in business. No, do all whatever activity physically, but mentally you are totally blocked with your business only.
so this is a very important message for taking on challenging times. Get fully involved in business. Having said that, a word of caution. I think sir is an exception and he's absolutely brilliant. So he says, I don't believe in ERP. And by the way, that was right. Huh? Sir ने जब भी बोला stock ज़्यादा है, I went and checked stock ज़्यादा था. ERP was wrong. Why ERP was wrong? Because it is garbage in, garbage out. So if you feed in wrong things, you spend 1 crore or 2 crores or 30 lakhs, you get wrong. So sir का दिमाग में था and he was right. But then I realized that, Sanomi will not have that same intelligence. It is known as the, successful father's curse. Junior Bachchan is not as successful as Senior Bachchan. It is not because Junior
That
Bachchan
is
is
true.
not good. It's because it is Senior Bachchan is way too good. But Sanomi insisted that, nahi sir, मुझे करना ही है. Father का ठीक है, and she got it done. And by the way, please note, those days I was very raw. I didn't know this. Today you don't need to spend crores of rupees on ERP. Today, as Suresh sir, the IT expert said, you can get ERP. If you are fully involved, you don't need it, best. But if you are not, and you still need support, there is something called as Moodle. There is something called as Moodle. It is software as a service. Some colleagues are being misguided. And today, every penny counts. Please don't spend lakhs and crores on ERP. Go to Moodle, write to me, I'll connect you. It is software as a service. You pay monthly. And Sanomi was very clear. Dad has everything on her fingertips. But sir, I am not as smart as my dad. She is smart in some other respect. That's a different point altogether. So my request to all of you all is, if you're fully involved, you don't need SAP. Oh, you don't need ERP. Sorry. You don't need ERP. There are cheaper things available. It is software as a service. Bhaskar sir, Sanomi, bete, one last message from your side. I have overshot the time, but I think it was well worth it. Sir, over to you, sir. One last message, Sanomi bete, and then Bhaskar sir. One last message. Sanomi?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
One last message from you and one last message from Bhaskar sir, bete. We are overshot the time. So one last message, please. How do you propose to help people export and what do you think they should be doing? You have answered very well. But one last message for your age group or maybe slightly younger to you. Go ahead, bete, please.
Just be focused and believe in what you are doing.
And Bhaskar sir, one
Or
last.
just enjoy your business as a party or your girlfriend or your wife. Enjoy the business. Seriously, you can success very easily. So you enjoy your business. तो सुबह उठा, थकान आया, अभी क्या ऑफिस जाना है, तो गया आउट. तुमको सुबह उठते आँख खुलते भागने की इच्छा हो जाती है. घर में वाइफ चिल्लाती है, इतना 7 बजा, 6 बजा. सीरियसली मेरा वाइफ जब अभी तो गाँव नहीं जाती, 1 महीना तो मैं आई रीच ऑफिस एट 7 o'clock. पहला चाय मैं ऑफिस में पीता था, ऑलवेज. अभी तो चाय नाश्ता करके जाना पड़ता है. उठा, स्नान किया, सीधा ऑफिस भागता था. एंजॉय द बिजनेस. जैसे कोई पार्टी में जाते हैं, शाम को दारू पीने का मजा आता है, भागता है 6 बजे, ऐसे ही मैं ऑफिस भागता था. मॉर्निंग 7 o'clock.
Passion.
ऑफिस स्टार्ट है 10 o'clock में, मैं 7 बजे जाके पहुंच जाता था. पहला चाय वहीं पीता था, घर में चाय भी ना दो के सीधा ऑफिस. So I enjoy that one. Enjoy your business, then nobody can stop you. Nobody can stop you. No required any lower interest, no required any government help, no required any ERP, no market research, nothing. You enjoy your business, सब कुछ ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगा आपके पास. वो सपोर्टर मिल ही जाएंगे.
So I got the highest exporter of spices to speak to you all. I got his daughter to speak to you all. Number one. Sir is not liking it. You can hear him murmuring.
He just left. So.
I know. I can guess.
मेरा प्लेस होता है, मुझे तकलीफ होता है.
And one last thing.
He just said if you praise him, he gets disturbed.
I know that, but bete, we need to acknowledge business people. Salome is been voted as a lady entrepreneur, right? Thank you very much, all of you all. I stopped the session here. Thank you, Salome bete, for a very practical session. Thank you, Bhaskar sir, for a wonderful session. This is the contact details of Salome. Please talk to her directly. Those who are interested in exports. I have done my part as your teacher. I write as, don't call me guru, as your teacher, as your well-wisher. I have done my part. You can get in touch with Salome. Thank you, bete Salome. And
Thank you, sir.
Bhaskar sir from my side. Can you call him back once? And can you, I have now not showing anything, okay? I just
He just left, sir.
I want to see him one last time, all right, virtually, because I don't think I can come to your house or factory. So if you could just.
I will just try, sir. 1 second. Sir.
My son is also saying, everybody, Captain Aditya, everybody is saying one last time, we want to see the man who enjoys his business.
Oh, sir. 1 second, sir.
Class, just 2 minutes. You can break for dinner. I'm sure you enjoyed the class today. If you could please put it on the chat, your comments. It will be great. Well, yes, the comments are started to come. Great session. Thanks. It was
Just
motivation.
want to see.
Superb, sir. Awesome session, sir. Right. Thank you, sir. Great session. That is Bhaskar, sir, for you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
बेटा इधर ही है. Very good.
Sir, आपका fan, सबसे बड़ा fan. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Bhaskar of humanity at its prime. That is Gani from US. Truly inspiring. Salome Wait. Truly inspiring session. Knowledge-filled session. Superb session. It increased my confidence now for exports. I've done my part. Humbled. Thank you so much, sir. Right? Yes, Mayur, you can definitely donate. Thank you very much. Master class from a true real management guru. Great session. Great session. Salome, this goes for you also. Great insight. Right? Love you, Bache. You have done it for me. Amazing practical knowledge. Salome and Bhaskar, sir. Mind blowing. Salome ji. Aditya Shah says, mind blowing. Thank you, Menon sir, Bhaskar sir, Salome ma'am. Why you got become ma'am now? Captain Aditya also is being thanked. Captain Aditya is also being thanked. Wait for Wednesday. He will simply rock. Shanti ma'am also. Prasad is wonderful. Shanti ma'am is again being thanked again. Yes, you need to thank people. Inspiring. Hard to find such strong human beings now. Nia Shah, my student, says this. I agree. He just left immediately. Can you see that? Simple, humble, and great. Superb. Thank you, Sarobe Bete.
Thank you, sir.
I'm in touch with you. Please,
Sure,
help.
sir.
Lot of them would like to get into exports. Thank you for coming all the way from Chembu to Vashi and staying back today for taking this session. Right? Staying back this session. Tell sir, I'm not showing any photographs. I'm not showing any photographs. Okay. Thank you, Beche.
Yes.
Simple living.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Now you can go back to your.
Son, yeah, he's waiting. That's what they're saying. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for staying back for today. Thank you. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you.
Class, you can break for dinner now. Sunday is personal finance, 11:45. Monday is private equity. I've already taken sir's schedule, Mujib ji. Wednesday is the rock star. He will be talking about agripreneur, right? And believe me, it is going to be amazing. I think Joseph Paul, if he's there, he will say, he already wrote to me. Joseph Paul is not somebody who gets impressed very fast. So he wrote to me saying, sir, that was mind-boggling. I'm going to talk to my father because we are planning agriculture. So wait for that sessions. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much, Captain Aditya. I will stay as always to take questions from dear students. Thanks to Hiten G. Right, those questions are going to be limited because I'm already on Telegram. But I still, if some of you would like to hear my voice, I'd like to spend 10-15 minutes. But my stress level has really reduced thanks to this Telegram thing. Thank you very much. I think one gentleman said, don't share experiences. And I had to politely tell him, please, yeah, let them share experiences. It's not nothing to do with Anil Menon. It's about Hitenji advising Captain Aditya advising Rahul, Rahul advising Ronak, Ronak advising Vikas. That's the way that entire Telegram is going. Thank you. What is the name of your Telegram group, sir? My Telegram group is not mine, our. The word is our. Telegram group is Menon Mantras. I think Hiten Kandelwalji will tell that. I think there was somebody who took that name and started playing mischief. I don't know why they do these things. I think Hitenji would possibly have changed that name to Professor Menon, though I didn't like it. But you could have your name, but it is Menon Mantras. Rajeshji, you could write to me. I will connect you to Hitenji. Okay, and it's an amazing group. Finally, a female entrepreneur. I missed this. Superb. Meka, I missed this. Re, bache, I missed this. And Salome has left. I promise, iska photo le. Salome ko dena hai. Finally, a female entrepreneur. Superb. Ye Salome ko dikhana hai aapne ko. I want to make her day also. Thank you very much, Captain Aditya. I will not apologize again because you will blast me. So I will only say thank you for being there.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Sir, you are a true disciplinarian, sir. At 2 o'clock in the night, if you're preparing slides for me.
You are really embarrassing me, sir. I'll take my leave, sir.
At 2 o'clock in the night, he was preparing slides for us. That is the discipline. Don't speak in between. That is the discipline the armed forces only they can have. You'll ask me what I was doing. I'm not from the armed forces, but I've got passion. I was responding to each individual WhatsApp those days, which now, luckily, I can sleep at around 12 o'clock because it is Telegram. Thank you, Captain Aditya. God bless you.
So much.
God bless you. I will stay back for some questions. Others, those who want to have dinner, please. Thank you very much. Amazing session. Hitenji is right there. He has put the group. Love him. He is also a very big shot. Oh, aisa sab kar raha hai, but he is a very big shot. Unka bada business hai yaar. And he supports Phosphorus Bank also. Apart from running his business, Hitenji is going to kill me for this, right? But right, great guy, Hitenji, and very down to earth. Yes, any questions? I think there'll be few questions now that Telegram has got into experience. Prerit Tewari, I will give you this answer. This is definitely a good question. USD Euro to INR is not transparent. How to get a clear picture from this? Please post it on Telegram. You are there on Telegram. I'll get the answer. I will get one of them to answer this. I will get this answer from Bhaskar sir himself. Okay. Ma'am, we will follow the chat. Easier for me to control. Please give me some time to answer this question, please. Can I have the next question? Or you want Raghav to ask? Okay, Raghav, bolna.
Hello.
Bolna re. Hey,
Sir,
9220021. Tu kya re? Who is this?
No idea, sir. Just raise the hand, so I just unmuted them.
No. If see, before I fool around with them, I should know, na, ma'am, if they are my students or not. Raghav is a student. I can fool with him. I don't know who is this 920021. So that is why I was asking. Raghav, bolna re. Jaldi bol lekin. Prerit, I'll give you an answer later. It's already written. Thank you. God bless you, re bachche. Raghav, jaldi bol re. Nahi to type karna. Anybody, any questions? Please type. Ma'am, I don't expect many questions because Telegram 1.5% saving yaar interest rate mein. 1.5%. Can you believe what people are doing? Piyush Daga, 1.5%. I called him up asking, boy, aapka exposure kitna hai? And then I calculated, boss, kya saving kar diya hai usne family ke liye? Superb yaar. 1.5%. Simple shift from MCLR to repo. Hiten is Usko, he's a lovely boy. Sorry, Hiten, I had to pull your leg. Otherwise, you would not do anything. Any other Hiten? Sorry about that. I was pulling your leg. Tu to mera bachcha hai re. Any questions? Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you, class. We meet on Sunday, 11:45. Personal Finance, 10 o'clock. MSME special session at Hardtech Knowledge Center, my Simmer Center. I will talk about MSME, how to avail MSME benefits. 11:45 will be Personal Finance. Sunday, double class from me. I know it's going to be stressful for me. I don't mind. I will really do it for you all. I owe it to you all, bache, and this country. And I love my Bhaskar sir. I love each one of you all. Thank you very, very much. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. And God bless. Thank you very much, Sonal. Thank you very much. Mega, you made my day by saying finally a female entrepreneur. That made my day. Okay. And that set of 50% of India, if we could convert their potential, I've done it. Amolji, thank you very much. We have worked together. He's a lovely person. All right. Thank you for a great session. It all goes to somebody who shares your surname, Mr. Shah, Bhaskar sir. Abhishek Bachche, thank you very much. Generally, Bej Baba Financials, 2% kam kar raha hai tera bhi. Right. Prerit, thank you very much. Thank you, Bachche. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Thank you. God bless. Vinayak, thank you, Bachche. God bless you. Ma'am, we'll stop with this. You should also break for dinner. And ma'am, I hope something is moving on your HDFC front. If not, please contact me tomorrow. Super inspirational. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, do you realize whom you have met today? Whom did you hear speak? You have heard the #1 exporter of our country, Mr. Bhaskar.
Yeah. Okay.
That's what the Zoom platform has done. Thank you very much.
Yes, yes. It's a great platform for everyone who is struggling to understand so many things.
Thank you, ma'am.
So many people are getting many answers.
Last time it
Great
was Mr. E.P. George and his family. This time it is Bhaskar sir and his family. It was Aditya Shah and family who donated and said, "Mera product mat batao." These are the people who make India. I have got some more sponsors, but